If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Photoshop Elements lets you share your media online using various online resources. To share photos from the organizer, select a media item in the organizer window. Then click the Share drop-down button in the Shortcuts bar. The sharing choices then appear in the drop-down menu. The choices are Email, Flickr, Twitter, Vimeo, YouTube, Burn Video DVD, and PDF Slideshow. This lesson shows you how to share media to online social media sites. You can share selected photos within the organizer to one of the social media sites that appears when you click the Share drop-down button in the Shortcuts bar. To share selected images to the social media sites Flickr or Twitter, click the desired website choice within the drop-down menu that appears when you click the Share button in the Shortcuts bar. Photoshop Elements optimizes your photos for sharing on those sites and then prompts you to enter your login credentials for the selected site. After entering your login credentials, simply follow the on-screen instructions to upload and share your media on the selected website. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.